I want to ask you a few questions. What triggered you to call American Paving Design?
Well, I had a driveway that was 22 years old and had been through several hurricanes. It was starting to crack. Tree roots were lifting some of the slabs. So I did some research. I researched repairing it. I researched just doing concrete. And I thought pavers were out of my price range, but I was very pleasantly surprised to find out that they weren't really that much more than concrete.
Good. So did we solve all your problems?
You certainly did. Very happy with the job from start to finish, from the salesman that came, Brad, to give me an estimate, through Nicole, who scheduled the job, through Steve, who's the on-site foreman, and the workers who run the machines, Mark and Brian. Everyone was very accommodating and super. Things were done on time, on schedule, and done correctly.